Today, we venture into the very heart of Sicily, into the quiet mountains. Ahead of us, hidden among these mountains, lies a small medieval village of Castelbuono. And every summer, this fairy tale truly comes to life during the beautiful Infiorata di Castelbuono. During this festival, the streets are transformed into living carpets of flowers, intricate designs created from thousands of colorful petals. But Castelbuono is also famous for something unusual. Here grows a rare natural product called manna. From ash trees that grow around Castelbuono and nearby Pollina, a white sap slowly drips from small cuts in the bark. Under the Sicilian sun, it hardens into delicate crystals. For centuries, this natural sweetness has been used in medicine, cosmetics, and traditional cooking. Another charming local tradition appears early in the morning. In the narrow streets of Castelbuono, the garbage collectors are donkeys. Patient and hardworking, they carry sacks through alleys too small for cars, quietly keeping the medieval village clean. Above the village rises the majestic Ventimiglia Castle, built in 1317 by the powerful nobleman Francesco Ventimiglia. The castle once served as the residence of one of Sicily's most influential families. Inside the castle lies one of its most precious treasures, the Palatine Chapel. Here, golden leaf and intricate white stucco decorations glow softly in the filtered light. Just 12 kilometers from Castelbuono lies a peaceful place surrounded by vineyards, the beautiful Abbey of Santa Anastasia. Founded in the 12th century by Benedictine monks, this historic monastery has been transformed into a charming wine estate. Here, nature and tradition come together to produce exceptional organic Sicilian wines. Among them are Passamaggio, rich blend of Nero d'Avola and Merlot. Inside the wine cellars, modern techniques blend with centuries-old traditions. Small oak barrels rest beside large French casks, where the wines slowly mature. Our visit ends the perfect Sicilian way with the tasting of organic wines, enjoyed in the peaceful countryside of the Madonie Mountains. The afternoon fades, we return toward the Mediterranean coast and the beautiful town of Cefalu. Narrow streets filled with cafes, small shops, and restaurants lead toward the heart of the town, Piazza Duomo. Here stands the magnificent Cefalu Cathedral. Built in 1131, this extraordinary basilica reflects a unique blend of Norman, Arab, and Byzantine influences, a symbol of Sicily's rich and complex history. Today, it is proudly included in the UNESCO World Heritage List.